Hey, what's up, fellas? I'm Luscious Female Fan Steve-alicious here, back with one we've all been waiting for, at least for a little while now, the Unihertz Titan Pocket, which size-wise, you'd think would be closer to a BlackBerry Classic and a BlackBerry Bold, so we have our friends here for a size comparison. But before all of that, thank you so much to all the new subscribers, approaching 4,800 as of the taping of this video. If you've been loving all the tech, both keyboard and nut, go ahead and tussle that subscribe button. It certainly means a lot to me. So, what are we talking here? We're not talking flagship. We're not talking a beast. We're not talking that type of money either, though. I think you could still get on there and pre-order this on Kickstarter for, I think, $219. Maybe you could pick up one of these on pre-order. If not, I think they say the full retail price is going to be $300. I think you're getting a little steep then, but we'll see if the build quality and the rugged nature of the phone and the aluminum alloy and all the rest of the stuff they put in there is going to be worth that premium. Maybe it is, you never know. But let's go ahead, unbox this. This is the closest we're going to get. Listen, I thought by the time we got to this unboxing that we'd at least have an announcement about the next BlackBerry, but we got nothing. So this is the closest we got to new physical keyboard in 2021. It's going to be running on Android. I got something I'm going to try, and which might be a video a little later on. So let's go ahead, pull this one up here, unbox. Oh, we got designed by Unihertz. All right, thank you very much. And there it is, just kind of sitting right there in the ball. Oh, boy. Look. I understand this, and I did this in my impressions video. I understand that this is the Titan Pocket. Let's take this off so it's not annoying everybody with the noise. Okay, I understand it's the Titan Pocket. That's fine, and it's 30% small or whatever than the other one, than the Titan. The original Titan, I'm pretty sure, was used to derail tanks in World War I. Like, just take them off the track or something like that. This one, possibly not. Maybe the prototype for this was used as a grenade or something like that in World War II. But it is massive. It's massive. It's a chunky boy. A little heavy. Not bad in the hand. Okay, I'll give them that. They nailed the size. And it's not, even though it's on the heftier side physically, it's not, the thickness isn't out of control. It's not like you feel like you're overwhelmed by it. In fact, when we pick up the, not bad actually, weight-wise compared to the Classic. Actually, now that I'm getting them both in the hand, not bad. I mean, the thickness is obviously, see if we can put that there. That's your Classic there. Okay. Get that in focus. There's your Bold, which is nothing compared weight or size to this. Okay. Nothing. You get your Bold, put it right on top of it. So the footprint, it's a lot thinner. The Bold is a lot thinner, but the footprint not all that different. And in fact, if you do this, the footprint actually, you could fit most of the Titan Pocket in the footprint for the BlackBerry Classic, and of course the Passport, thickness-wise. We talked about this in one of my impressions video, or not impressions, like kind of preview videos, how the thickness is there. Look, it's not disqualifyingly heavy. Let's put it that way. It's heavy. It's heavier than I thought, but it's not disqualifying. Not at all. And you can see the footprint to just give you some size comparison there. Overall, so you've got, I like the fact that they color code the button there. That's nice. The aluminum body feels good. It's got kind of the rubbery, soft touch texture to it, which is nice. Let's see what else you get in the box, though. Then we'll get back to the device. What else we got here? Charging cable. That's fine. USB-C. Charging brick is USB-A. We got that. Nothing really going there. Any sort of books, diagrams. Nothing. Just figure it out on your own. Oh, no, that was in the other one. Okay. That would be nice. I can't leave you to your own devices here, because I want to see what exactly the breakdown of the button. So you get an extra screen protector. All right, so there's a screen protector on it. This is, it's plastic. That's fine. That's nice. What else we got? Warranty guide and the Titan Pocket. Let's look over the buttons. So the top one, the red one, is the programmable key, and the one underneath is that's kind of an odd implementation. I would have figured that the other way around, but that's fine. We'll make that your convenience key, for lack of a better word, programmable key. IR blaster, earphone jack. Bring that closer. LED, notification LED, card tray, which is dual SIM. Microphone, fingerprint reader at the home key. Okay. Capacitive touch keyboard as well. Got a headphone jack. There's a USB-C charging port. Other than that, listen, you got your camera, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 3.1 inch display. This is not going to be... I'm going to put my sim in it. My main sim that I usually use, that I have on the Z Flip 3 right now. And instead of a 24 hours impressions video, I'm going to do 48 hours. Because I know the first 24 hours is going to be, what have I done? I've made a huge mistake. Coming from a Z Flip 3 and kind of getting out of that mindset again. And back into a physical keyboard mindset. But not only a physical keyboard mindset, a physical keyboard and 3.1 display mindset. So back into that classic mindset. A lot more emails. A little less TikTok, more work. More emails, you slackers. So that's what you're going to do with this. Let's peel this off. Right there. Nice. Okay. Was I supposed to do it like that? Oh, no. I was not. I was probably supposed to... All right, so that just peeled right off. So I was supposed to do that. So that peeled right off the front of the device. Good. Good start. Good start. Let's see. Can I get this back on here? Forget it. I'll do that on my own. What just happened here? All right, we're going to do that on my own time. Now it sets. It sets after I pull it off. I'm not going to use it anyway. They give you an extra one. Let's power it on. See if we got any juice real quick. And then we'll get out of here. I'll put my sim in it. All the rest of it. I'm curious to know. Listen, 720p display with the 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It should last 2 and 3 days. It should be like BlackBerry type battery life, where you just charge it and then forget it. I'm kind of wondering how quality the panel is. LCD, obviously, but I want to know the contrast and the colors and all the rest of it. See if it at least keeps comparison. Because the good thing, look, and there you go. The good thing about the smaller displays, and you found this out on the BlackBerries as well back in the day, is that it doesn't take a lot to make them look good. When they're that small, it doesn't. You don't need the highest resolutions in the universe to make it look decent. So hopefully that's the case here. The keyboard, yeah, it's good. It feels good. I like it. That back button in that spot. No, the back button here and then. Oh, yeah, no, this is fine. This is fine. Feels nice. I like it. I like it. It's not super clicky. Let's hold it next to the camera. Give some clicks. Yeah, you can't even hear that. But backlit, nice. All right, let's see. Let's give it a try. Sim's going in it. Let me know what you want to know about it below. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. It's here. It's finally here. We're getting another physical keyboard device, brand new, out of the box. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. If you're waiting on getting one, let me know below, again, what you want me to test on it. Until next time, have that Steve-alicious day.